Beanie. Okay, so you've got your spring box, and in it you've got some Fruit Hill Farm seeds, Bee Meadow seeds, enough to cover 20 square meters, which is quite a big area. Now, you don't have to use them all at once. You can use them the next year. When you go into the third year, you might get probably 80% viability from it. So the longer you go on, you get the gist. But it's a real generous amount of seeds, and you can create something great all summer long. You're going to have flowers up until September for sure, and it's going to give great enjoyment out through the summer. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use it, the easiest way to use it. A method I've been using in the garden for years is a no-dig method. So we've cardboard from the brewery, and I'm going to put just compost on top of that. And by compost, it's I'll usually use a municipal waste compost. Your council will advise you on where you can get it. And in the background you can see there's compost bins, and I make my own as well, quite a lot of it. So this is so easy. In less than an hour, this is going to be job done. Seeds planted. So we do a little time-lapse video. I'll show you the compost. It's just really well composted, a couple of years old, bit of woody in it, but that's fine at this stage. It's not going to use any more nitrogen taking up as it's decomposing further, and the seeds will love it. I do a heap of gardening, and I moved over to this years ago because I just got sick of weeding. It was taking too much time. This makes it so much more pleasurable. I have two helpers, two directors helping us today, so you might hear them chirping in now and again and tell me what to do. But a bit of fun in the garden. So stick along, hope you enjoy it. So one layer is good, a couple of layers are even better. And I'll just stop all those weeds coming through for you. It's Finny coming in to help. That's the cardboard down. Okay, let's scatter these. I'm going to water in. Probably going to get a bit of help doing that. So yeah, it's a bit of fun, isn't it? Many thanks to Fruit Hill Farm for coming on board with us for supplying these. They also do cottage garden mix, which is fantastic. They do some other wildflower mixes and heaps of stuff for propagation. Link down below, definitely check them out. I've been using them for a long time. I find them absolutely fantastic. That's it, so I've probably used only a third of the pack on that. So we'll just give them a bit of a trample down with the rake. So if you wanted it, you could put a small bit of fencing, just a small, like 100 mil high border fencing, just to differentiate between the grass and the bed. But a couple of runs over the moor, that's going to be trimmed out anyway. Okay, there's no rain set for the next few days, so we're just going to give these a bit of a water, and my able assistant here will give me a hand. So that's it, job done. Probably half an hour's work, really simple. It's going to be so easy to maintain this all summer long. We're not going to have weeds coming up through it. We have a barbecue and sitting area out here, so yeah, it's going to be really pleasant. We can watch the bees at work. So we have we started beekeeping. I'll show you, yeah, I might do a video on that at some stage as well. So this is really just to help the pollinators more than gathering heaps of honey. My goal is just to give them a bit of a helping hand along. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, follow and share. It's goodbye from us.
Goodbye for this.
So thanks a million. Bye bye.